Welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. In conjunction with this training video, please reference each component's owner's manual, available at sonnysdirect.com, before performing any installation, repair, or maintenance procedure. Each manual details specific requirements and settings necessary for the safe operation and maintenance of your car wash equipment.
All right, now we're going to talk about our CTAs. CTAs are our chemical tire applicators that are mounted on the floor in the conveyor at the very beginning of the tunnel. They are powered by, in this situation here, a G57 flow jet pump. We like the G57 flow jet pump because it's one of the easiest ones for an operator to adjust and maintain. It's very simple. It's got a hydrominder to mix chemistry. It's got a flow jet pump to deliver the product to the car. So the chemical gets mixed from the hydrominder through the venturi and the small tip, drawing chemistry from a concentrated drum and mixing it in our tank. That product sits here until we activate the solenoid valve that'll power the flow jet pump. Solenoid valve is here. It's activated by the controller for every car that has wheels that it's going to get wheel cleaner. It actually opens the valve, allowing air to come down through this regulator, feeding into the pump, and control how much volume of product we pump through the pump out to the CTA. The other regulator here coming off just before this one is the air pressure that goes out to the little foam tree that helps to make the foam. In order to make foam, we need chemical and water. We need about half as much air as we do liquid. So I'm going to turn this one on. I've got it activated on the computer already, but for a reason, I'm going to open the solenoid valve, and we're going to look at the pump. So right now, we've got this pump running about 35 PSI. We've got our air pressure at about 10 to 12, 15 PSI, okay? You hear the pump running. It's pulling the product mixed out of the tank and delivering out through this line out to the CTAs. We also like to split it in the tunnel, in the middle, so we evenly distribute it to the product. The way we adjust this is if I want more product out there, I will take this gauge, turn it up. You hear the pump work a little harder. We go to 40 PSI. That'll give us more product. Normally with more product, I need to make a little bit more foam, so I'm going to come up here and just slightly move my air pressure and give myself a little more flow. And now I should have a pretty good foam out there. If I want less foam, wetter, I would pull this out, I would back this down, and my foam will start to become wet. You hear my pump speed up, it's got less resistance, and now I'm getting a more liquidy product. If I leave that alone and I turn down my pump pressure down here and I bring this down to 20 or 10, then I'm going to get a very aerated, a very dry product. So we're going to readjust this back to just under 40 and just about, say, 20. From here, we should have a very good chemical dilution. And you'll see that there as it operates outside. Okay.
Thank you for watching this maintenance overview video. Please visit sonnysdirect.com and review the complete owner's manual before attempting any installation, maintenance, or repair of this component. There you'll learn necessary procedures, settings, and other considerations required for the safe operation of your car wash equipment.